Dominica, the Nature Isles Financial Landscape by Dr.Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss economist. Dominica, fondly known as the Nature Isle of the Caribbean, is renowned for its pristine rainforests, hot springs, and the world's second-largest boiling lake. Beyond its natural splendors, Dominica has made significant strides in developing its offshore financial sector, gaining particular acclaim for its Citizenship by Investment program. Here's an insight into Dominica's financial landscape. Banking landscape. Banking infrastructure. Dominica's banking sector, although small, offers a variety of essential services, from personal banking to corporate finance. Regulatory body. The Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, ECCB, oversees the banking operations in Dominica, ensuring stability, efficiency, and transparency. Currency. Dominica uses the East Caribbean dollar, XCD, which is pegged to the US dollar and offers stability for investments and transactions. Offshore Services. International business companies, IBCs. Dominica's IBCs enjoy tax exemptions, operational flexibility, and a high degree of confidentiality. Trust services. A favorable legislative framework makes Dominica an attractive destination for establishing trusts, particularly for asset protection and wealth management. Citizenship by Investment program. Established in 1993, this program allows foreign investors and their families to obtain Dominican citizenship by making a specified economic contribution to the country. The program is popular due to the visa-free travel it offers to numerous countries. Challenges and considerations. International standards. As with many offshore jurisdictions, Dominica has been working to enhance its financial regulatory framework to align with global standards, especially concerning anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing. Economic diversification. While tourism and agriculture have traditionally been mainstays, there's an ongoing effort to diversify the economy, especially given the vulnerability to natural disasters. Why choose Dominica? Economic citizenship. The Citizenship by Investment program is one of the most cost-effective in the Caribbean and provides a swift route to Dominican citizenship. Tax benefits. With no capital gains tax, inheritance tax, or wealth tax for IBCs, Dominica offers an attractive tax regime for businesses and investors. Geopolitical stability. Dominica's stable political environment and membership in international bodies like the United Nations and the Commonwealth bolster its global reputation. Conclusion. Dominica, with its unique blend of natural beauty and financial opportunities, offers a range of advantages for businesses and investors. Its offshore sector, combined with the allure of economic citizenship, makes it a compelling choice for global endeavors. As always, potential businesses and investors should collaborate with local experts to navigate the nuances of Dominica's financial sector effectively.